Hey guys, Rhett here. What's going on? Down here in Birmingham at another client's property. Absolutely beautiful home. Client got it under contract for $70,000 and it is just an absolute showstopper. When we're done with this house, it's gonna be a complete money maker till the cows come home. Come on in, I'll show you inside. Now guys, $70,000 acquisition price to buy, and it needs about $25,000 in work. Now, the client who bought this is her first property. She came into the program a matter of weeks ago, about 2.5 weeks ago. She already has her first property under contract, and we're closing on this in a couple weeks. It's gonna be an absolute monster for her first property of her portfolio. So come on in. Super, super nice, guys. So here in the living room, we kind of walk right in and it's all carpet. We're gonna just pull this carpet up. We're gonna put all new carpet down in here, okay? We're gonna touch up all the paint on all the walls in here. We'll paint them a neutral color. Right now they're pink. So we'll change it all up. We'll paint them white. We'll paint them an off-white or an off-gray. Something that also incorporates a lot of light in here. But a nice living room in itself. There's a closet off of the living room as well, which is nice. The people that lived here, guys, kept such great care of this unit, and it's a 3-bedroom. We're gonna turn it into a 4-bedroom, okay? Now, that 4-bedroom is gonna bump our rent up from around $1,000 to $1,100 every month to somewhere between $1,180 and $1,350 per month for Section 8 in this area. We're in Birmingham, and guys, my clients are getting so much money in rent from Section 8. We're getting as close to those fair market rents that HUD allows as possible, and they are just killing it. We're using the best contracting teams, the best management companies. Everybody that we use on the team is fantastic. If you're interested in the coaching program, shoot me an email below. We'll get you on in, we'll get you started. So guys, coming over here this way, we have our kitchen, okay? Our kitchen table will go right here under this. And we have all new cabinets already. Obviously, we'll get rid of this devil's creation. Everybody knows that the fans are the worst thing you can have in any kind of rental unit because they break and they're just a disaster. So we'll pull this out, we'll put a nice light fixture in there as well. We have a newer electric stovetop, okay? We have our oven right here. Might replace this depending on if it works or not, might keep it, we'll see. But the electric stove is brand new, so we'll keep that. Everything looks really good here, guys. Cabinets are in really nice shape. Everything's in good condition. Everything's fairly new. All the windows are nice, they're updated. What we'll do in here, we'll paint this as well. So we'll hit this with paint. There are some things, you know, trim-wise that I'll want to fix and make look nice. Just, you know, things down here, guys, around the border. There could just be touch-ups that we can make a little bit nicer. You know, in some of these units, like this, that's going to be a 4-bedroom home, and we're going to get top dollar for it. We want it to be really nice. And this home, my guess here is that the people that lived here were older, and they'd lived here for probably 40, 50 years, and they sold. This house does not have a lot of updates. It's kind of old school, aside from this kitchen area. So, and you can tell that by kind of the rug colors. And you'll see as we continue through the house that there are some things that are just, you know, straight out of the 70s and the 80s. So, we had a refrigerator right here, guys, okay? We will put another refrigerator right here. We will take this floor up. We'll put down new laminate in here, okay? And I want to bring you downstairs first, all right? So all through here, we have our carpet. We're going to tear all this carpet up, and we're going to redo it all. So it's going to be all new carpet down here. And guys, down here it's pretty cool because we're gonna turn this entire room into a bedroom. So this used to be a bonus room. So a couple different options. Either one, we're gonna start the bedroom right at the door, but what I think we're going to do is we're gonna build a wall from this wall right here We're gonna build it through here. We'll column this pole off. Regardless, we're gonna column the pole off. Okay, we'll build a column around it so it's not exposed. And we'll run a wall to right here, okay? And this will be a hallway, all right? Now, we're gonna do that because this door's, oh, alarm system already in place. Pretty cool. So guys, this, you need a key to get in here, but we have a beautiful carport out back with a security door, okay? This door needs to be replaced, it's not on right. Whoever attached it didn't attach it right. So we're gonna put a new door here, newer security door, and that way people can come in the back of the house. They can use the carport, come through, and when they walk in, this will all be walled off. So you're not gonna be walking into somebody's bedroom, right? It's gonna be its own separate walkway this way, okay? So, pretty cool, guys. Okay, pretty cool. So, also pretty cool down here is, for this bedroom down here, you have a full bathroom. Full bath. Brand new vanity, brand new toilet, and in the corner, you have a shower. Amazing. So you have a full living space down here, downstairs, that will turn into a really, really nice section of the house. Who's not gonna wanna live down here? You can make this a master bedroom. Okay, and this can be the master bath that's just detached from the actual bedroom. So really, really exciting. Another reason we want to wall off this bedroom. Now, some of you might be saying, okay, well, why would you want to wall off and not just make it an entire room that just has its own master? Now, we might, but I'll tell you why. Because down here, off the back end of the house, we also have a full laundry room, huge, brand new water heater, brand new hookups. So, we want to try and isolate this laundry room. We don't want the laundry room in the bedroom, okay? We don't want people having to do laundry while somebody is sleeping and have them walk through their room. Now, with this stuff, guys, okay, we have a washing machine and we have our dryer, okay? Now, the dryer is not new. This is an old dryer. My guess would be it's somewhere around 30 years old, maybe more, honestly. Obviously, this washing machine is a little newer, but this is very, very old, okay? So, one of the reasons why even when we purchase stuff like this, we don't supply it, because this could already be broken. If we supply it in a unit, a tenant moves in, and day 2 it breaks, guess who's paying for it? The landlord. So, we'll take both of these out of here, we'll donate them, we'll give them to somebody, or we'll write it up in the lease. You can use them until they break, but when they break, it's your responsibility to get new ones, okay? So guys, moving onward. So this is gonna be our master down here, okay? Now I wanna take you guys back upstairs to show you what we have going on up there. This is just a beautiful house, guys. It's just such great potential, okay? Again, we're gonna recarpet this entire thing in here, all right? We're gonna come in here, we have a bathroom up here, okay, top of the stairs. And what we'll do here, guys, is we're gonna paint this whole bathroom. We're gonna update this bathroom a little bit, all new doors, okay, throughout the whole thing. We're gonna reglaze the tub, new toilets, new light fixtures in here, new outlet switches, new everything. Kyle, if you want to go in there and show that bathroom a little bit. It just looks really good, guys. They did a great job with this bathroom. And it's a huge size. What we'll do is we'll just come in, touch it up a little bit. It's got some water damage up top. Not sure if that's from the roof or if it's just from humidity in here because the window hasn't been open. But there's really good airflow in this whole house, guys. HVAC unit, is working well. It's nice and cool in here. It's about 92 degrees outside today, and we're staying pretty cool in here. So as we continue onward, we come to another bedroom wing of the house. And if you come in here, we have bedroom number 2, and you can see the color of the rug in here. We have some old 70s shag carpet in here, okay? Now, I love it personally, but I don't think a tenant would, so we're gonna recarpet everything up here. So this whole house is gonna be recarpeted. And that's kind of one of the reoccurring themes in this home, is it needs all new flooring throughout. We're gonna take this fan out of here. We're gonna put new light fixtures up here. Windows look good, guys. So we're just gonna do some paint touch up. It's just dirty, the walls are dirty. We're gonna paint this whole room because somebody lived here for years and years and years, of course. It has normal wear and tear, that's normal. And it's a big house, so it's a lot of wear and tear. So we're gonna update all that and make it really nice, okay? In here, guys, same thing. Another nice sized bedroom, needs all new carpeting. It needs a new pad underneath it as well. The pad's gone. I can feel it. And new light fixtures here. Again, all new paint. Gonna do some new trim work. It needs some updates. Has a closet, it has everything we need. And again, another nice sized bedroom. Needs some small things, outlet covers, guys. Small stuff like that. Just small normal wear and tear. You know, we'd paint over this or caulk that, fix that, or just put a new piece of molding on the side there of the trim. And then, guys, as we kind of come into the back half of the house here, we have our 4th bedroom. Pretty exciting stuff. This is what used to be a fan, okay? I don't know what the hell happened to that, guys. Look at that, my goodness. Another reason I hate fans, because they can end up looking like that. I don't even know how that happens, okay? So what we'll do here, guys, is we'll put a new light fixture in here. We'll paint all these walls, new door. We'll fix this electrical outlet. I'm not gonna touch it because I don't wanna get electrocuted. We'll do all new switch covers, new switches, and just make this thing, update it, make it look good, new carpets, get this thing up and running and looking really, really good. And this is gonna be on the rental market for maybe a matter of days, because this house is a home run. Absolutely beautiful. Guys, things like this, right? We'll touch all this stuff up. As you can see on the popcorn right here, you just have a little bit of a sloppy paint job. So we'll touch all this stuff up, and it's really important, guys, to pay attention to detail when you're doing these houses. And we talk about it a lot. We talk about doing the right thing. Even if it costs a little bit more money, we're gonna do the right thing, especially if it's in a unit like this, where it's a 4-bedroom unit that we're gonna get top dollar for. We wanna make sure that we're doing people the right way, okay? That's extremely, extremely important in this business, because 9 out of 10 people aren't gonna do that. 9 out of 10 people are gonna walk by something and say, we don't need to do that, that's not important. That's not what my clients do. That's not what we do in my program. We do things the right way, we pay it forward, we do things right, and what happens when we do things the right way? It gets paid back to us in spades, okay? So that's how we operate here. That is the only way we do things. And because of that, we end up with properties like this that are absolutely beautiful. This home is fantastic. People are still cutting the grass. It's under contract. The people are still cutting the grass. It's so nice. The owners who are selling it care about the unit. It doesn't need a ton of maintenance. Everything's done the right way. The people that lived here paid such great attention to detail. If you guys look, stuff like this, right? Where there is a TV right here, and they put a wire well right here. So behind the TV, the wires go through the back of the wall, and they come out the bottom where they plug in right here. It's just small things, guys. And the people that lived here wanted this because they didn't want the wires hanging from their plasma TV. So you know the people that lived here cared about this unit, and we're not gonna take it over and change that up. We're gonna come in here, we're gonna respect the unit, and we're gonna create a really good place for tenants to live, and something that people take pride in, okay? Because that's what we do here. So guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.